Okay. The last two games I had were black pieces, so I should be due for the white pieces. And in a game, I tend to go for the London system or the English opening. And I think the London system can be effective, especially in 3-minute chess where you have to make your moves fast in the opening. Here I get a 1907 rated player, so I will do just that. I don't mind the double pause. Okay, it doesn't go for that, so we get a normal working line here. I like to retreat my bishop just right away. It's a bit too early there. Okay, I messed up one line a little bit, so now I have to. Okay, let's just improvise. Improvisation on the station. And then it comes back to B2. Not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. We might have some issues on the white squares. Here's the pin. It's pin to begin. I think we're c4, c5, c4, 97, c5. Okay. Because there's d5 now.
Check.
Then I have unleashed my bishop on h2, which I really like. It's even an option to castle queen side there, but I'm comfortable here castling queen side e5, a4, e6, e6. Let's turn here. Okay, let's do that. It's not big deal. I figured he might, but let's see. Can I threaten to double on the a5? Because there's no rook b8. Remember, bishop almost got myself, so this is an idea from another line. And a pretty good one, I think. Rook a7, I don't understand. So takes. Let's take. The other thing is, knight b3, a5 is a good idea. In some cases, I'm not sure what this will accomplish. Other than putting a queen on a7 at the end of this, but take, knight a5. And then bishop here has to be knight b7. So I can maneuver the other guy, right? I can move the other guy to b4. I think this is winning. Can't really maneuver anything. If he plays bishop f6, I'll play bishop c7, stopping bishop d8. Important switch and soak. So this pawn looks like it's huge steal. Might have to sacrifice something. I could have played maybe bishop b6, which I didn't realize. I was focusing on b8, but this looks like a good idea also. Yeah, some good ideas in this game. I might make a separate video just explaining the patterns. Knight here, knight f8, bishop here, knight c8 take. So c6 is dropping off the board, and that means a completely winning position for me. If I take now, he wants to play here. So I'll play here first. Then NZCA I will take, but with which piece? Let's not spend all night on that, please. We do G5, okay, B4. And let's just go, let's go here. What? This is hanging. Thank you. I mean, he lost his focus, I mean, he's lost, so... this is basically desperation. Which I should... I mean, I shouldn't care about this pawn.
Check.
I'm losing my focus here, to be honest.
Check.
Okay, I go here. And I should play C.
Time.
Yeah, I heard you the first time there. Second knight. And... well, okay, let's just do it like this. It's not the best way, but... it's good enough. Well, is it? It is. What the hell's going on, man? Worst technique ever. Oh,
Check.
oh, freaking kidding me? Jesus Christ.
Checkmate.
Man. Oh, what the hell happened, man? I lost my focus so incredibly badly. Oh, man. This is how I lose games, basically, more or less. Oh, I get so happy with myself. You know, I'm playing so bad. No, I'm playing so good, man. Look at that. I play so good, man. I'll just completely lose my focus when I think should be easy. It's a big weakness of mine in Blitz chess, you know, to keep the focus throughout the game. It's not enough to do all the hard work. You have to do a little bit of third work at the end. You know, I just didn't have enough time because, you know, I always have to react to D2, wait for it. So I decided to pre-move one time, and he was lucky enough that he went for D2 on that move. Should just play bishop D2 back. Horrible, horrible bullet technique as well. Shameful performance, man. But, you know, the game itself was good. I completely outplayed the guy. I haven't been so, you know, completely happy with myself. Would have been a good game. Not a new personal best, but now it's like almost 30 points lost. That's ridiculous. So yeah, I messed up the mover a little bit here. I should already be castled. Knight d2 was too early. I don't need it. Why knight d2? No focus whatsoever. Ah yeah, well, just play e3. Knight d2 is too early. I don't need to define this knight. That's a small mistake that I made. So now I have to repeat the knight. And queen's still okay, the knight comes here, but not the way I usually play it. Okay, we got this structure, and I thought
Check.
b5, then I have a very good attack on the queen side. That's probably correct. Here I found the found a pattern from another opening where white takes over the a file. And from playing some games in that line, I knew that. I just basically knew about, you know, the good positions for the knights on a5 and b4. And that's what happened. And yeah, this is basically the thing. I found some nice ideas here, but yeah, let's not overanalyze that. The pawn is falling and white is winning. That's for funsies. See my plus here. +1. That's fair enough. Yeah, in my opinion, it's much more than that because white will just win easily after that. So I'm still trying to get over how I could fall asleep so badly and lose that. That's just beyond unbelievable. I was kind of laughing, at his stupid, desperate kind of play. But it was the only way for him. How can I fall asleep so badly, man? We can play c6, c7, knight b6, game over. I don't need the beef up. I want this. Yeah. Oh, another ways to win. Okay. I'll forget about this one.